This is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to force turn off your iPhone without the touchscreen and then keep it off. So this is actually really easy to do. So you got the volume up and down button right here on the side, and then you got the power button over here. We want to go ahead and press the volume up, volume down, and then the power button and hold this down. Now when the screen goes off, we want to go to the volume up and the power button, and this will keep it off. So let's do this now. So volume up, volume down, power button. Hold the power button down right here, and the phone is going to go ahead and force turn off. Now when the phone turns off, let go, hold down the volume up and the power button after like a half a second, and you might see the iPhone logo pop up on the screen, which is fine. When it goes away, go and let go. Now on my version of the iPhone, it seems like as soon as I force turn it off, it's going to stay off, and I won't see the logo unless I hold down the power button right here. So tap that and it's going to come back on. So just keep holding down the volume up button and the power button until you see the iPhone logo. Once it goes away, let go, and it should stay turning off now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.